Introduction. Arun is buying shirts for himself. A discount sale is on at the shop. The shop is offering 2 free shirts with every 3 shirts purchased. Arun selects 3 shirts. The shop gives him 2 more. Now he has 5 shirts in all. Arun is very happy. In this lesson, you will learn addition. Picture addition. Let us learn to add with the help of pictures first. Sheena has 5 dolls. Her uncle gets her 2 more. How many dolls does Sheena have in all? Count all the dolls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sheena has 7 dolls. There are 5 mangoes in the refrigerator. Shipra puts in 3 more. How many mangoes are there in the refrigerator? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 mangoes in the refrigerator. Addition through forward counting. Let us use the pictures to count in a different way. Sonia's mother buys her 5 chocolates. Her father buys her 2 more. How many chocolates does she have? Sonia has 5 chocolates already. So, let us count ahead of 5. 6, 7. Therefore, Sonia has 7 chocolates. Ravi has 3 puppies. His cousin gifts him 3 more. How many puppies does Ravi have in all? Let us count ahead of 3 because Ravi has 3 puppies already. 4, 5, 6. Therefore, Ravi has 6 puppies. Addition in a horizontal line. Let us now use dots to add numbers horizontally. Look at the screen. There are 2 dots on the left and 4 dots on the right. What is 2 plus 4? Count the total number of dots on the screen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore, 2 plus 4 is 6. What is 3 plus 5? Count the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3 plus 5 is 8. Addition in a vertical line. Let us now add numbers vertically. To do that, let us write the numbers one below the other. To add 2 and 3 vertically, write the 2 numbers one below the other. Draw 2 vertical lines next to 2 and 3 vertical lines next to 3. Count the vertical lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore, 2 plus 3 is 5. What is 3 plus 1? Write the 2 numbers one below the other. Draw 3 vertical lines next to 3. Draw 1 vertical line next to 1. Count the vertical lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 plus 1 is 4. Addition story. Garvesh goes to a mall with 2 friends to watch a movie. He is joined by another friend. How many tickets should Garvesh buy? There are 4 people. Garvesh is 1. His friends 2, 3 and 4. Therefore, Garvesh should buy 4 tickets. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learnt. Addition is possible with pictures. Numbers can be added vertically. Numbers can be added horizontally.